30-day-long relay sit-in staged by internally displaced persons and the Coordinating Committee on Manipur's Integrity, Cocomi, demanding resettlement of all IDPs in their native places by December this year, concluded today without any positive response from the government. Following the conclusion of the protest, Cocomi announced that IDPs under its initiative will gather at the governor's official residence, Bhavan, on January 12, 2026 to seek a clear response on the resettlement issue. Speaking on the sideline of the final relay sit-in held at Lamboi Khongnangkhong, Imphal West, Cocomi convener Khuraijam Athoba said that despite repeated appeals to Governor and Chief Secretary to announce a specific date for the return and resettlement of IDPs, no response has been received so far, questioning whether the Governor was deliberately ignoring the issues or unwilling to address the grievances of the affected people. Athobe asserted that the proposed January 12 agitation would be peaceful and conducted in a constitutional manner. He also informed that a final reminder would be submitted to the Governor and the Chief Secretary.
Manipur da Santi Hanjanba haibase awana tarba masagi maribakta lanjendaraga leiriba human rights hangdana basic human rights pawwa hangandana leiriba mayam asibu masi karigi sumaina tholibno haibase masigi accountability si lenga ki mafamda fix toba ma changba madugi accountability si yaudragadi Manipur da Santi Hanjanna bagi thorang si mai pa oidobagi maram asina khwairi choba maram mamu oigani aduna leiriba president rule gi governor gi administration asigi accountability si Manipur gi miyang mafamda nomu gi sum nemdarak bana maram oirakanda hairiba masigi administration na se akhoi miyam gi damukta leiba administration ma oiraktrabra haibagi atung chingna si miyam de yam chauna lere maram asina lakadoriba January gi tang 12 sida IDP sing amadi Cocomi ga loina na chakadoriba khongcheda sina governor gi mafam dagi hairiba wahang sing asigi pakhum launana ba akhoi miyam hona jaragani